All right, hey guys, how's it going? Scott from Civic Edge Lifestyle here, and welcome to my. This is kind of a third video that I figured I'd throw together for you guys on smart desktop AI. I wanted to get a bit of another video out there just to kind of really bring this home and really show you guys what you're going to be getting with smart desktop AI. And this is the biggest thing that hit the internet. I in my past year and what am I on now? Year and 8 months. I have not seen a product quite like this. I have not seen a product that, first of all, is free and allows you to earn commissions still with a free product and be as lucrative and as amazing as this one is, and earn basically commissions on autopilot without doing a single thing. Now, I'm going to implore you to watch the video through. Stick with me till the end because there are freebies at the end that I'm going to be showing you guys. It's going to be in the descriptions for you, but I'm going to also be going through some things, and there's also an update on commissions and stuff, which I will not be showing my commissions in this one yet because I found out why we haven't been seeing the commissions yet, and yeah, I'll go through that. So first of all, this is Smart Desktop AI. What you get with Smart Desktop AI is a system where you have an employee, okay? The employee never gets tired, never complains, or gets sick, okay? The employee never shows up to work late, and they show up 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, 365 days a year, okay? So right there you can see, like, okay, so Smart Desktop AI is a type of employee, but what do I mean by that? So, employee of the month goes to. I was kind of trying to throw some jokes in there, but I made this presentation like very quickly, but also tried to make it as perfect as possible. um, what does this amazing employee do? Okay, so this employee, they get you 50 leads a day. They run campaigns for you. They run cold outreach emails and search high and low for new traffic and responsive traffic nonetheless. They even close sales for you, making you cash. So why is this the future? Why is this the future? Okay. Actually, it says why this is the future, but anyway, why is this the future, you may ask? All right, so just give my presentation here a moment to quickly set up this slide. So basically, right now, a lot of us marketers are already doing the following things every day. We are closing our own sales, we are emailing our clients ourselves every day, and we are searching high and low for traffic every day. With this being the future, and I have never seen anything come out like, I was not even as excited about ChatGPT when it came out because I was like, oh, okay. ChatGPT is good, but that was like kind of the stepping stone into the AI world. It was not even fully the best thing to hit the internet. Like, it's great. It can write stuff for you. It can do all kinds of things. It's great in that sense, but it's not anything that excites me. This excites me because this is a system where you have your own employee, okay? You basically have a computerized employee that comes to work every day. It looks for, traffic. It closes sales for you, and it's emailing your clients every single day by itself. Based off of commands, of course, that you put in. And you can't just put in commands like, write an email for me to my clients. You can't do something like that. It can't be vague like that. You've got to give it a command that, and this goes for ChatGPT too, just so you guys are aware. because I've been playing with ChatGPT a lot, and I actually use it a lot in my business. Um, but ChatGPT, as long as you give it a good command, it will give you a good response. If you give it trash, it'll give you trash back. Okay, that's basically the concept you gotta learn with this AI stuff. It's not complicated at all. You just have to learn how to be a little bit better in your commands, and learn how to really give it a command that it's going to understand. Okay, so that's why this is the future. Oh, sorry, there's one more. If you aren't doing any of these things already, okay, then you are doing something way wrong. Okay, because you should be every day going out and already, closing your own sales. You should be emailing your own clients, and you should already be looking for traffic every single day. If you're not doing these things in your business, then you're doing marketing way wrong, and you're not. It's probably why you're not succeeding. And you just have to think more broad about things. You can't, when it comes to traffic and stuff, you can't be thinking about it in one spot. Okay. Um, so, why should you promote this product? Okay, so you'll know that when you get into Smart Desktop AI, okay, it's free to join. There's no, you don't have to pay anything. You don't have to, it's free. You get this tool for free. And I'm going to explain because I forgot to put it in here. This tool is free because this is straight from Corey Price, who is one of the ones behind this. He said that the reason why they're doing this for free is simply because they want to beat out anyone who is going to. They basically want to beat out anyone that's going to charge a monthly fee and market it as, oh, you're getting a whole bunch of stuff and all this and that. And they want to beat that out because this product right here, I have never seen a product as good as this one. This product is hot. It is the best thing I've ever seen. And yeah, people are going to make trashy products after this and try and replicate this product, and they're never going to come close. So what Corey said was that they released this and made it free because of the fact that if they make it free, he said that if they make it free, it basically stops anyone from being able to replicate this. Because if you think about it, if it's free, you're going to have the best thing at your fingertips as opposed to something that you're going to have something at your fingertips that's free as opposed to paying something monthly. And that's what a lot of the people that are going to try and replicate this are going to do is charge a monthly fee for this. So they beat it out, and like beat them out, basically. They beat the competition already. They've won. This is the future. Okay? This is great. Like, I'm excited about this. This is a great product. But not only is it a great product to promote, but it is great in your pocket as well. And here is why. Easy answer here. You should promote it because everyone who signs up gets the employee for free. And for every sign up you get, you make $60 per referral. So right there, you're going to get $60 per referral. And every time someone signs up for free, okay, you're going to make $60. And then you're going to make $15 per month after that from the company for each referral. So if you get I'm getting way ahead of myself here, but then another $15 for each referral they bring in. So bring in 5 referrals, that's $300 plus $75 a month. They bring in a referral each, that's another 5 referrals, you make another $75. Your total, $300 plus $150 a month, okay? So you get $150 a month plus you get the $300 front end. Like, you get $60 every time it's like someone signs up for free, right? Because there's no cost. This is all free. And your total at that point for just 10 referrals is $450. That's including your $150 a month plus your $60 from the first 5 referrals that you got. So that's $300 plus $150 a month. That's $450 total after you got those 10 referrals. Okay. And just remember, those last 5 referrals, you didn't even have to do anything for that. That was your people before that, like the people that you had originally. Now, this is not an MLM. So don't think that this is an MLM because it only goes 2 levels deep. There is no MLM here. And this product is not an MLM anyway because it's just not. But anyway, so that's that. That's how much you can earn. Okay, so I know already, and I'm pretty sure already I've made probably $1,000. The thing is that I can't see my commissions right now. I'm only going off of the clicks I've had on certain links and stuff. So right now, here's sorry, I'm getting ahead of myself again. I'm gonna try and keep this quite short. So how are they able to do this when the system is free? Okay, you're probably wondering that, and there's an easy answer to this. They are able to do this because the very system that is sitting before you is already closing sales for them. The people that created it, it's closing sales for them in real estate. Okay, so they're making hundreds of thousands of dollars from real estate from them, like, because affiliate marketing has now gone into real estate as well. So basically, they're closing sales in real estate with this same software, and then because of that, they're making enough money to support having the system for free. Now, this is still a limited time because I've been hearing that it's only limited time. They're going to have this for free for a limited time, so you need to act now, okay? And you can do so by going down to the description, but I will get to that in a minute because we still have a little bit more to go through, and then I'm going to explain something that's free for you in the description as well, if you are interested. And because of the $1 million investor as well that they had, so they had a guy that came in. He saw the potential in this software, and he invested $1 million into the company. And instead of them going and turning around with that $1 million and going, well, let's go buy some advertising, they said, why not get affiliate marketers to come in and promote it for us? How beautiful is that, guys? So $1 million investor that they have investing in the system. I'm excited about this. This is great. I've already had a bunch of people sign up, I'm pretty sure. But anyway, now for the update. What are you going to get in the description? Well, you can, and here's what you're going to get in the description, okay? I put in the description, I put the link straight to the capture page for Smart Desktop AI. For those of you who are not interested in resource pages and stuff like that, I went and put just the plain capture page. If you're just looking to sign up and you know where to advertise already, go for it. For those of you who don't want to just sign up without a resource page, I put my free resource page down in the description that's going to allow you to also make some extra income on top of this from going through the resource page. So what can you expect going forward? Well, the site is still being worked on very, like, every day. I had 2 things show up on the site yesterday. Like, they were adding stuff all day. This thing is in beta still, but it is still being worked on every single day, and they are working on it hard. Like, they are literally developing it every single day and working hard on it because they want this to get out there and get into the hands of the marketers so that they can start using it to its full potential. So why should you go out and promote today? Because it's a limited time to get in for free, and you're leaving a lot of money on the table if you do not start promoting this now. And why should you get my resource page? Because I've added some extra income streams on there. The resource page was developed with you in mind. You, the viewer right now that is watching this, I made that resource page all for you guys so that you guys can go out, promote this, and possibly get some other income streams. And the reason why I say other income streams is because the other things that I added to the resource page are free as well, but they do have some upgrades if people choose to upgrade. And you shouldn't force them into it, because I don't force them into it, and I get upgrades all the time at these sites. And I actually made a commission yesterday that I didn't even know about at one of the sites that is on that resource page, and I didn't even know I got the commission. It was crazy. But this resource page is there for you guys to get an extra income, okay, and get some referrals to those sites as well. I highly recommend going through the resource page, but again, if you don't want to, there is just the plain link inside the description that you can just join Smart Desktop AI, and you can go out and promote it yourself however you see fit. But the resource page is there and has the capture page built into the resource page as well, if you are interested. Anyway, the commissions update. Now, this came down the line yesterday, and I found out by going to the website, and unfortunately, I'm on my presentation window right now, so I can't show you the internet window. But this came in yesterday. So the commissions have basically been so the reason why I can't see my commissions right now is because the Smart Desktop AI website has been hammered with referrals right now. So the commissions are coming in kind of slow at the moment, simply because they have gone hammered, and they have said as much on the site now, because when I went in yesterday, they were asking about genealogy. So what I'm also going to tell you is you need to come back and ask me if any of you have signed up or are going to sign up. You need to come back and ask me what my referral link is and stuff like that, because they ask for that information, like who sponsored you, whose referral link, because they want to get everyone paid up, right? And you're going to have to do the same thing. But that just came out because they said, like, we've gone hammered the last few days with referrals, and it keeps happening. It keeps overloading. They might even have to at some point put it down for a bit to try and catch up on everything, because it's just getting wild. Like this is the biggest thing to hit the internet. Okay, guys. I would suggest getting in on it. Again, the resource page and the link to join just Smart Desktop AI, if you don't want the resource page, are down in the description and the comments section. Don't miss it. Get in on it now, because I'm telling you, it is a potential to earn, big commissions and earn residual income nonetheless, every single month. And they will not stop it. They said that they're going to keep it going forever. Like, you'll earn recurring commissions always with this system. Okay? So guys, go out, promote this free product, get out there. I'm looking out for you guys. I want to help people earn money this year, and this system is by far one of the biggest systems to hit the market this year, for free nonetheless, and make it so that you can earn commissions. You guys have an awesome day, and I'll probably have a video again later. If not, you guys have a great weekend, and I'll catch you guys on Monday. Cheers.